I can't miss it. I can't miss it. I can't miss it. Yeah. Don't put mom. Don't put mom on the face.
Y'all wanna have a whole 1 minute video? Nothing. Oh, they should have. Oh!
We got it.
We got it. What are yours? Let's feed it away. I don't care, man.
Belly right there. Here's my cousin right here. He's recording too.
Where?
Right here. Say hi. Now we're just looking at trying to wait for the fireworks to come out.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hey!
Got one. Got one right there.
Where's the ones where the yellow comes?
I don't know. Yeah.
After we get one more shot of it, let's go eat.
Yeah. Yeah, I see, like share a video. So I could like cap cut it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you got cap catching?
Yeah, cap cut.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
I got that too.
Yeah.
How you use it?
But first you gotta like add the videos and like if you like make it like once, it goes like on your other phone and it start recording.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
Wait, other phone?
Yeah, so when you double it up, it goes double it. Yeah, you got it.
Ooh.
Got that one.
No!
That's okay, we got one more. So alright, yeah. I'm done recording.